Hi, I'm Hui Ju, Portfolio Manager of United Smart Sustainable Singapore Bond Fund. The fund was launched to offer investors an opportunity to capitalize on a sustainable solution which supports Singapore's sustainability journey. Sustainability is becoming more important to a country like Singapore, and there's a growing investment opportunity here. Singapore is a low-lying city-state, and this makes us especially vulnerable to the impacts of climate change. A report by Swiss Risk Institute notes that in a worst-case scenario of high temperature rise, Singapore could lose 46.4% of its GDP. Our gardens by the bay may now become gardens beneath the bay. Given this threat, there's a significant emphasis by the Singapore government to move towards a more sustainable and lower carbon economy. The government has set out on the Singapore Green Plan 2030, and various of the plans has been outlined. These reflect the growing importance of sustainability in Singapore. Singapore's firm commitment and actions reflects opportunities for early investors to participate in. There are growing opportunities as the sustainable finance market in this region develops. More issuance of green, social, sustainability, and sustainability-linked debts are seen. For instance, the Singapore government plans to use GSSS debt issuance to finance 35B worth of public sector projects and has established its sovereign green bond framework, paving way for corporates to follow. These developments in Singapore are in its early phase and can benefit our United SSS Bond Fund. The fund allows investors to gather stable income while supporting Singapore and Asian companies that align themselves with strong and sustainable mandates. Unlike traditional funds which only has a profit objective, the fund has a dual objective, which is to invest for both profit and purpose. On the profit aspect, the fund seeks to provide stable income and capital appreciation over the medium to long term by investing predominantly in Singapore fixed income instruments with risk being managed. At least 70% of the funds will be invested in Singapore fixed income and a maximum 30% invested in Asia. The fund is anchored in attractively yielding, high-quality fixed income issuers who are typically market leaders with superior fundamentals. And to accumulate more carry, the fund also invests up to maximum 20% in defensive, strong, high-yield issuers when opportunities arises. Importantly, GSSS bond issues are the preferred investment as the fund seeks to contribute towards a sustainability impact. Whereas on the purpose aspect, the fund has a thematic focus on three core sustainability investment themes. The three key areas are green, clean and smart Singapore, preparing for climate change, and sustainable production. Of specific note, the United Smart Sustainable Singapore Bond Fund is the first ever Singapore-focused impact bond fund that quantitatively tracks and measures the ESG quality of its investments. The fund focuses on three P's: profit, purpose, and payout. On the first P, profit, early participation enables investors to capture potential gains as the markets develop, what we call early mover advantage. This brings me to the next P, purpose. The fund has a strong sustainability thematic focus. A key centerpiece of the fund is to align with Singapore's national sustainability agenda. And to do so, it utilizes UOB Asset Management, proprietary ESG investment process, and a customized sustainability impact dashboard. This process combines third-party data, independent UOBAM research, as well as artificial intelligence to provide the proprietary ESG score. With this, the fund selects companies with strong or good ESG performance. Another unique trait is the fund's customized sustainability dashboard. This dashboard details the overall ESG quality and various sustainability metrics supporting the three core sustainability investment themes. As an example, the average portfolio ESG rating is E, and the ESG score is 7.3, which is higher than its comparable ESG bond index. And in terms of carbon intensity, for every 1 million Sing dollar of revenue generated by the fund's portfolio of companies, the portfolio constituents emit 93 tons of CO2 less compared to the index. And we translate this to about 12,000 round trips from CBD to Changi Airport. We're measuring the impacts of our portfolio on energy usage. For every 1 million Sing dollar of revenue generated by the fund's portfolio of companies, the portfolio constituents uses 155 megawatts less compared to the index, which is equivalent to powering 473-room HDB flats for 1 month. So such specific measurements helps to address greenwashing, as data are captured before disclosure to the investors. On the last and final P, payout, we combine our profit and purpose to give you a consistent payout. Gone were the days when investors just see investment profits as the only payout. The fund actually seeks to provide you with a consistent dividend income that is risk managed. Sustainable investing is now a topic that cannot be neglected. Putting our investors' interests ahead, the United Smart Sustainable Singapore Bond Fund is a first of its kind, Singapore-focused, impact sustainability fund designed with clear objectives to deliver the 3 Ps for our investors. UOBAM proprietary customized sustainability impact dashboard lays out various sustainability metrics that the fund delivered in a clear, transparent manner. Investing in the United Smart Sustainable Singapore Bond Fund allows you to seize the growing opportunities along the Singapore journey, thus achieving both profit and purpose, and of course, consistent rewards via payout.